Hello friends, today we learn the D flip-flops means के delay flip-flops and this delay flip-flops is made by the SR flip-flop. First of all, in delay flip-flop is made by the SR flip-flop. If S or R flip-flop, the input is connected with inverter, then this become the D flip-flops. In the D flip-flops, only for one input, either 0, either 1. If we apply the D is equal to 0 input, if D is equal to 0 input, then this 0 is become the pass the 0 and this 0 is passed from the inverter and become the 1. That means S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. So S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1. In the NAND gate, if any input is 0, then output is always 1. Then 1 is become the 0. After then this become the 0. So in this NAND gate, the input is 0. So if any input in NAND gate is 0, then output is become the 1. This one is passed on this and this become the 1. After then 1 in the NAND gate is become the 0. That means output of the D flip-flops, if input is 0, then Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1. That means Q bar is equal to 1 is provided in the R side. R means reset. That means D is equal to 0, then Q bar output is 1. Q bar output is 1 and Q output is 0. That means if D is input is 0, then output is reset. Next, if we apply D is equal to 1 input. In the D input, if apply the input is 1, then this 1 is passed on this 1 and 1 become the 0. If any input is 0, if 0, then become the 1 and 1 become the 0. In this NAND gate, the input is 0. So if any input in NAND gate is 0, the output is always 1. This 1 is passed on. Now 1 means output is become the 0. That means if D input is 1, then S become the 1 and R become the 0. That means this means Q is equal to 1. That means Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. And this Q is equal to 1 in front of side is S. S means set. That means if input is D is 1, then output is Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is 0. That means if D input is 1, then output is Q is equal to 1. That means set condition. Thank you so much for watching this video.